this video, we will take a closer look at Diamond Point SF-24C.
SF-24C stands for S straight F flat ended. It's a green band coarse diamond point. C stands for coarse. It's primarily used for gross tooth preparation, occlusal and axial reduction of tooth, and at the same time, developing a desired margins angle the diamond point along the buccal occlusal slopes, and then proceed for the lingual occlusal slope preparation following the anatomy of the tooth.
Understanding its ideal application and how to use it effectively for optimal clinical results. Don't forget to watch my other videos on diamond points in Instrumentor 2.0. Do like and share our videos and subscribe to our channel for more dental tips.